Rodman 9 Snow Adventure 2009 Part 2. Pretty nasty out, people. Look at that right there. It's like something out of a movie. It drifts on the side of the roads. You can see there's still several inches on the road. And this road has been plowed. As you can see, look how the probably about 2.5 feet on the sides of the road. You can see there. It drifts. Oh, look at the car. That's a car. Or it was a car. Sick. Thing is just buried. You can see right there. Look how high that is. Crazy. I was gonna shovel, but considering the drifts were up to my waist, and have the neighbor try to snowblow. Look at those drifts. Unreal, man. It's kind of cool right there. Big giant, looks like something out of a movie or cartoon or something, or a painting. Look at all the snow on the roof there. It's gonna fall off, big chunks. But a lot easier walking home because the wind is behind me. I was walking into the wind earlier, and that was a bitch. And considering I'm out of shape and getting old, it's not the same when I was 16, 17, and 18. Come around and mess around in the snow and go shovel and snowblow, and it'd be no problem. But good exercise nonetheless. With all these clothes on, walking in the snow, probably lost about 3 pounds, and it'll be nothing but ripped muscle now. So look out, ladies. Got somebody shoveling up here. Sick. Shovel mojo. Going down to a main road here that's plowed. That's just not cool. So many levels. Got a main road here. Marquette. Not bad here. Get some light. You can see down there coming off the. It's not the main part of Marquette, but you can see it's somewhat clear, at least drivable. You can see the size of the drifts there on the side where they plowed. So heading down the middle of the street, nobody out except for Rodman 9 and a couple shovelers. Some stoplights back there, some woods. Would cut through the woods there to go to my condo, but there's a creek I don't want to fall in and perish. So I will venture the long route, and hopefully the side street won't be too bad. Here comes a car. So that's all. Pretty boring video, but it's not. Shut up, dog. Frickin' kill you. Bury your face in the snow. Was gonna bring Hammy out, but considering how deep the snow is, I think he would be gone in a few seconds. And yeah, so anyway, like I was saying before the dog rudely interrupted, not every day that we get, I don't know, shit, over a foot. I mean, it just depends on where you're at as far as your total accumulation. But yeah, the drifts are anywhere from 2 feet to about 6 feet. There's a creek down there. Probably can't see. Anyway, that's all I got for you. 2011 blizzard. Pretty good one. Peace out.